I get a demo? Or
I'm gonna end up
yeah, I'd love
Knock
it.
yourself out.
I'm making a video if that's okay.
That's fine.
I post on YouTube, so.
Give me the bag.
Yep.
Get me out.
What's your name?
Rusty.
Rusty? Okay. And these are ZV4s? Fives? Okay.
And they're on a twisted 8.5 right now at about 1.5 ohms.
So not even, yeah.
I'm probably into 3 to 4 ohms when it's playing, so I'm probably
Okay.
at about
1.5 ohm wire too?
start off. So like I said, I'm probably 3 to 4 ohms when it's actually playing.
You couldn't wire those 0.3, that'd be too dangerous.
I'd be down to like 0.3, really.
Really? Okay.
So I'm not too fond of that, so I was like, you know what?
Hey, there's your batteries.
What's that?
What are those?
2 Northstar 400s.
Northstar 4, okay.
And it has a Stinger 370 up front running it with another Northstar like 31.
31, okay.
So everything is literally about a week old. I just got the alternator in Thursday.
Okay.
The subs are about a week and a half old. I just built them. So
what's it tuned to?
it's tuned to 32, but because I'm blowing wind everywhere, I'm going to end up walling it off. One of our teammates, I'm on teammate loud, and one of our teammates, I'm going to get him to wall it off for me.
C-pillar?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I have 2 kids, so.
Yeah, you gotta have some seats.
It starts with I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I'm designed inspired to explain it.
broke your sides? Yeah.
They're on little actuators and it keeps breaking the arms off of them. So for this weekend, it's
gonna break more.
Breaking a little much right now.
Yep.
God, Dave.
They're being broken. It's only about a week and a half old.
Really?
Yeah, they're
Is it just scree coned or?
No, they're flipped over.
The oil change is
It's actually ported in the back.
Okay.
But because the amp's so huge, it literally takes up literally most of the back.
Do you have any 4-channel or 2-channel amps?
Yeah, but they're hidden back behind the seat.
Oh, that's alright. I was just wondering what you got.
One's an old Crossfire 800 VR 4-channel.
Okay.
And then I got a little Powerbass, like
Powerbass.
900, right?
Yep.
Just the tweeters.
Okay.
It's half done.
Yeah.
The back doors I have at the house, I just haven't put them in.
Still sounds good. for what
Not
it
too
is.
bad.
Yeah. How do you can't really prevent the flex everywhere, yeah.
I'm gonna drop the top, and once I wall it, then I'm gonna.
Yeah.
I have 2 boxes of Stinger in. I'm
Are you gonna deaden
go over
it?
it.
Okay.
But for right now, like I said, it's just something put together.
Okay. Do you have anything that plays lower, or like how low do you play down to? You think like 26?
Well, my problem right now, because they're so new, I don't play too
You don't
low.
want to play too low. You don't want the suspensions until they're
Right.
loose. Yeah.
You want a silver rock? Your total value is $10,000.
What you talking about? Dropping a switch, in the lick, trying to get rich, off in this bitch. Dropping my top, I'm popping my talk, I'm whipping my wheel like I'm whipping my Chris. These niggas ain't shit, these niggas ain't real.
Yola, yola, baking soda. Cocaine is my girl, fine. Order